Now you can integrate your ACT account directly to your Microsoft Outlook or Google account by performing a simple one-time integration installation. Here's how to install the integration between ACT and Outlook or Google. The first thing you need to do, of course, is to log into ACT and then click your Tools button in the left navigation. From here, click the Email Calendar Tools button at the top. And now let me just pause real quickly to take a quick sidebar. Now, depending on when you created your ACT account, you're going to see one of two different screens here. And I'll show you both screens now, and then I may direct you to watch a different video to get the connection that applies to your account. Let's start with the view that I'm not going to cover in this video so that I can direct you to a different video that fits your environment. If you go to the Tools area and click Email Calendar Tools at the top, and then you only see one row of buttons like I'm displaying right now, then this video won't apply to you. Instead of installing an integration to Outlook or Google, all you need to do is merely connect ACT to your online Outlook or Google account. To find the video that explains this process, point your browser to act.com/cloudvideos, and then locate the email integration area, and from here, click either the Connecting to Outlook or Connecting to Google video to see how it's done. Okay, the other view that you might see from the Tools menu is this one. When you click the Email Calendar Tools button at the top, you should see 3 rows of buttons. If that's what you see, then this is the correct video for you. You need to download and install the integration between ACT and Outlook or Google. Choose the one that applies to you and click the Download button. Next, enter your database password to download the integration file. It could take a moment or two for your download to begin, but just pay attention to the download area of your browser window to see when it occurs. Once this download is complete, click the file to run it. You may see a screen like this where Windows says it's protecting your PC. Click the More Info link here, and then click Run Anyway. If the User Account Control window appears, just click Yes to continue. And then the integration window may pop up to let you know that Microsoft needs to install Visual C++ on your computer. If that's the case, click Install. And now let this installation run until it's complete. At some point, the Install Shield wizard will appear. Click the Next button to continue. And I usually recommend just using the default settings for installation destination. Once the installation is finished, just click the Finish button. And now you're finished installing the integration component. Now, there are a few more steps that you need to take in order to link your ACT database to either Outlook or Google, and I'm going to cover these in separate videos. We'll be using the synchronization preferences for either Outlook or Google.